Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Formula One management with F1 Manager 23. If you've ever wondered if you've got what it takes to run a racing team better than the pros, this game might be your ticket to finding out. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our reviews. Let's jump right in. Hey, racing enthusiasts! Today, we're talking about F1 Manager 23, a game that brings strategy, stats, and spreadsheet mastery to the forefront. In this management simulation, you'll be in the shoes of an F1 team principal, calling the shots behind the scenes and leading your team to glory throughout the 2023 season. While F1 Manager 23 might not have you racing on the track yourself, it demands the same level of composure and quick decision-making as a Formula One driver. Your days will be spent managing the intricate web of team operations, upgrading car parts, devising race strategies, keeping your staff content, improving facilities, and appeasing the board. This strategic juggling act ensures that no single element falls behind, as the consequences can be dire on the racetrack. And there's a beauty in this complexity. F1 Manager 23's interconnected systems mean that your decisions ripple through various aspects of your team. Balancing these overlapping responsibilities creates an engrossing challenge that will keep you invested for hours on end. When things go wrong, you might find yourself tempted to reload a previous save. But when your strategies align perfectly and pay off, the sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. You'll find yourself at the beginning of a new racing season at your team's headquarters. This hub serves as your command center, offering a comprehensive overview of your team's status and activities through neatly organized tabs. However, for newcomers, there might be a slight learning curve. The tutorial for first-time managers provides an overview of each section, but practical application and decision outcomes aren't thoroughly covered. This might leave new players feeling a bit lost initially. Upgrading car parts is crucial, but prioritizing them might not be clear. Once you've mastered the intricacies of your headquarters, you'll realize the depth of control you have over your season. Facility and car upgrades take time and aren't immediately available for the next race. Planning and researching upgrades based on the race calendar can provide a competitive edge. Wind tunnel and MFD testing for new parts allow you to stay ahead of rival teams. Moving on to the on-track action, the race weekends mirror the real F1 season with practice, qualifying, and race days. While you can choose to simulate these sessions, it's highly recommended to manage them all yourself. Each practice session lets your drivers learn the track and tweak car settings, adding a layer of enjoyable strategy. As you fine-tune your cars during practice, your choices directly influence your qualifying performance. Qualifying is a 3-round elimination process, and the game helps set tire and fuel usage to optimal parameters. During the actual race, you need to manage tire and fuel parameters meticulously for a smooth race. Balancing these settings is an intense task that demands quick thinking and strategic planning. If you're short on time or looking for specific challenges, F1 Manager 23 offers optional scenarios. Race Replay Mode mimics real F1 Grand Prix results, while Race Moment and exclusive scenarios put you in unique situations. These scenarios are excellent for honing specific management skills and providing a fresh perspective on the game. While playing F1 Manager 23 as an underperforming team can be frustrating, the gradual improvement and constant work towards team betterment add a layer of realism and satisfaction. This journey keeps you engaged over the long term, especially when you earn your first points. However, if you're aiming for the top, picking Red Bull Racing might make things a bit easier. And there you have it, folks. A detailed look at F1 Manager 23, the game that puts you in the shoes of an F1 team principal. If you're a fan of Formula One and strategy games, this one's definitely worth giving a shot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, share it with fellow racing enthusiasts, and of course, subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, stay strategic and race on.